Hi, my name is Sonia with Recover, Restore, and Grow Natural Hair Growth Products, and I wanted to talk to you today about our Recovery Shampoo. Our Recovery Shampoo is formulated to be used for men, women, and even your small little ones. Our products are safe for chemically treated hair and also hair that is graying or hair that is recovering from medical treatment. Why is this? Well, our products are formulated with aloe. That's the very first ingredient in this wonderful hydrating shampoo, and it's going to really give you a nice, gentle, but deep cleanse. Is this product able to be used if you have Caucasian hair or fine hair? Absolutely. Our products are created for all hair types and hair textures. Aloe keeps our formula light enough but also hydrating enough to penetrate every hair type and every hair shaft without making it too oily or too dry. You'll find that the aloe will give you a nice balancing effect. What about 4C hair? Will this product be hydrating enough for your hair type and your hair texture? Absolutely. Our shampoo is formulated with lavender, rosemary, aloe, and also rice bran oil. Rice bran oil is known to hydrate your hair from the inside out. We hope that you enjoy our recovery shampoo. Happy growing.